Former teammate ni Lebron na si Rajon Rondo may mensahe para sa bagong koponan ni Lebron James na Philadelphia 76ers. Natanong sa isang podcast si Rajon Rondo kung sino daw sa tingin niya ang magkakampiyon ngayong paparating na NBA season. At sa tingin nga daw niya ay ang koponan ni Lebron na Philadelphia 76ers dahil naniniwala daw siya na kayang dalhin ni Lebron ang koponan na ito sa kampyonato. Dahil kasama nga daw ni Lebron sa iisang koponan ng isa sa pinakamagaling na point guard ngayon na si Tyrese Maxey at kaya daw nitong mag-average ng 30 points per game.
He's got arguably the young best point guard in the game. I think he averaged 30 points a game this year.
Dagdag pa niya, nandyan nga daw sila Joel Embiid at ibang mga player ng Sixers ay hindi daw kailangan maglaro ng 82 games dahil sa loaded nga ang kanilang team na kayang gumawa ng kanya-kanyang opensa dahil nandyan nga daw sila Jaylen Brown at LeBron James. Magandang magsama nga daw itong dalawa dahil parehas daw itong may gustong patunayan ngayong taon at sa playoffs. Kaya yung gantong klaseng mga kakampi nga daw ay magiging paborito maging kampyon at kung tataya nga daw siya ay maaga pa lang ay tatayaan daw niya agad ang koponan ni Lebron. At kung makakarating nga daw si Joel Embiid sa playoffs kasama si Lebron at kung makikinig daw ito dito ay malaki daw ang chance ang makuha nila ang kampyonato dahil ibang klase daw talaga ang leadership at talino ng isang Lebron James pagdating sa basketball.
Landing in Philadelphia.
Brilliant move. We all know he's a great basketball, one of the greatest basketball minds to play the game. If you give him these type of pieces to play with, I'm an early bet with them being the favorites to win. If I was to bet, I would bet the Sixers early. Like I said, he has Embiid. A lot of people talk bad about, JB's, Bron, Embiid. You got a nice combination of guys that have a lot of fuel in the fire left to prove something this year. And again, in the playoffs, if they get to the playoffs healthy, with Brown on the court, the player he is, obviously, we all know who he is. And then again, if Embiid gets to the playoffs with LeBron, if he listens to LeBron and follows his lead, happens for those guys, they got a great chance to get it done.